How was up, y'all? I was popping this D. About to react to this video. This is if Cardi B did the sound effects for Star Wars. Of course, they're about to have all her little crazy noises that she be making. I don't know why she makes all these odd sounds. It's like, what? It's like she could easily be like a cartoon character or something. But sure, let's see all these noises she makes. Let's watch.
You know what I'm saying?
That really looked like she was laughing. Why does she be making all these random ass noises? Cardi B is an odd character. Like, she's a very odd character, but you know, sure. I think she's pretty funny. I haven't heard from her in a minute though, outside of the whole drama with Offset that's been going on. But yeah, she's been pretty low key lately. You know, haven't released any music, haven't been on TV or anything that I know of. So I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, this was a funny video. Y'all let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what other videos you want me to watch, and I'll see y'all in the next one.